Ever wondered how to score a Band 9 in IELTS? In the next few seconds, you'll discover the secrets to achieving this top score. First, master your vocabulary. Learn 10 new words daily and use them. Next, practice your listening skills. Watch English news and podcasts. For reading, focus on speed and comprehension. Read diverse materials. In writing, structure is key. Use complex sentences effectively. Speak naturally and confidently. Practice with native speakers. Know the test format inside out. Time management is crucial. Take regular mock tests. Review and analyze your mistakes. Stay calm and positive during the exam.